Hi, I'm Pete. Welcome back to Removal Reviews. Are you trying to sell your home but worried it won't stand out among the similar properties in your area? You've probably thought about decluttering, sprucing up the garden, maybe even staging the inside. But there's one simple trick that could add thousands to your asking price and help you stand out from the crowd. Giving your house a name. Would you rather buy 91 Church Lane or Lavender Cottage, 91 Church Lane? The second one paints a picture before you've even stepped inside. You imagine charm, character, maybe even the scent of lavender drifting through the garden. That's the power of giving your house a name. The house name instantly raises your property's profile. It makes it memorable and, according to Phil Spencer from Location, it can boost your selling price by as much as £5,000. In fact, some reports suggest the right name could increase value by up to 40%. Of course, choose badly and it could actually reduce value, so getting it right matters. So, how do you pick a good one? The best names come from something genuine about your home. Its history, maybe it was once a schoolhouse or post office. Its features, like a big oak tree or a rose-filled garden. Its setting, by a brook, on a hill, or with meadow views. But avoid mismatched names. Calling a modern semi-detached home castle isn't fooling anyone. And while quirky puns might make you smile, they can actually put buyers off. So, do you need permission to name your home? If your home already has a number, you can add a name without approval, although it's smart to let your local council know. You must still keep the number clearly displayed. That's for Royal Mail and the emergency services. If your home only has a name and no number, then yes, you'll need to apply formally to your council. Fees vary, but usually it's under £40. Now let's take a look at some popular and inspiring names. Some of the popular names are classics like Rose Cottage, Meadowview and Orchard House. Adding a botanical or location-inspired word like Magnolia Cottage instead of just the cottage can significantly raise a home's perceived value. The key is nostalgia, charm and authenticity. So if you're selling your home, don't forget this easy win. Give your house a name. It's an inexpensive way to add individuality, charm and potentially thousands to its value. And once you've sold your home, be sure to visit us at removalreviews.co.uk for tips and guide on making every aspect of your home easier, cheaper and safer, as well as getting up to 4 super competitive quotes from the best removal firms in your area for your move. If you found this episode useful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of our awesome content. Happy moving. Bye.